I think over the years, I've also learned, right, to really suss out the commitment levels of the leadership team if they want to go through transformation project. So I have a way where I conduct the so-called, if I less of a better word, interview, right? To sense what makes them want to embark on a project. Is it to earn brownie points somewhere? It is for PR purposes, or really is it a genuine interest that they want to make change and they have a vision of what success look like? So for me, that's a very important for me to understand really the intention behind a transformation project. And with that commitment, right? So it's to establish a contract with a client, that the commitment, yeah, what are we committed to? And I always be very open and honest with my client that, hey, this project, we need to work as partnership. But if you're just going to outsource to me and you think that, I'm going to make magic happen, I'm going to disappoint you. The magic happens. I always tell my client, the real work begins when I leave.